Welcome to 381 Ivy, number 6. This is a top floor apartment that's just been renovated. It could be used as a 3-bedroom or as a 2-bedroom, and I'll show you the differences. Here's the entry. It's a walk-up. So to get to number 6, you have about 3 flights of stairs, and then it has a great outlook. There's an entry hallway that connects all rooms of the apartment, going all the way back. The front room is bedroom number 1. I'm betting that's how you use it, as a 3-bedroom, but you could also use it as a 2-bedroom, and I would think in that incarnation this would be the living room. It's a little extra window on top of the door, and this room, it's a great outlook up towards Cathedral Hill. 381 Ivy is in a super central Hayes Valley location. It's actually interconnected to the Flippers patio right by Patricia Green, by all the shops and restaurants. So back down the hall, we go to the second room, which is bedroom number 2 or bedroom number 1, however you want to do it. A window looking towards the south, and a closet here. This is the only closet in the apartment. All new floors, new paint. It's been virtually gutted and rebuilt. The bathroom has a tiled floor and is tiled around the tub. It's a nice vanity. And then the third bedroom, or second, is smaller. It's not too small. Plenty of room for a bed here, and it has 2 windows. Continuing down the hall, we go to the kitchen, or the entire common area if you use it as a 3-bedroom. And the kitchen's been updated. It has a gas stove with hood, maple cabinets, a black granite countertop, a brand new Frigidaire stainless dishwasher, full-size sink with disposal. We have plenty of room for eating here as a kitchen, a little living space. And your refrigerator is back here in a nook. It's a new system put in. I believe it's for the hot water and for the... And then you have an exclusive outdoor area. You can see right here, you're looking down on the Flippers patio, which is changing to something else. And then you have Patricia Green and all the fun businesses right there. So from this point forward, this would be your exclusive patio. You can't block the fire escape too much, but you can get some furniture out there, or whatever you want to do. If you're interested in 381 Ivy, number 6, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Have a great day.